Dagan.
You're not the only one who has school.
Say hello.
Hi. Who's that? Hi.
Wala, I'm vlogging.
Hey guys.
Oh, wala kang coke? Wala kang coke?
Eh, kala ko gusto mong Fanta eh. Alam mo na.
Swim, swim. Water falling off your skin.
Pumapasok ba?
Swim, swim.
It's not going in
In
the
laughter
water.
watching you swim.
Okay, you dive na. Okay.
This is all we all
Ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
Swim, swim. I just wanna dive. I just wanna dive. Top world, gone away. I still wake up.
Wala nang ano, goggles? Huwag sa mukha ko, Julia! I know it! Not on my face!
Take each other's faces.
Luis, masakit sa mukha!
I don't want.
Masakit.
Can you want? I just feel like a dog.
Like a dog. Bakit like a dog?
How to swim?
At mama.
You understand? Ayos like this.
Ang pangit ng tubig.
Diba? Parang merong umihi. Pitasin mo bakit?
Ganun na. Ew!
Kahit a handstand. I still have to do that. Diba? It was our last lesson.
Oh, go from there.
Do it.
Swim kayo from there to there.
I'm gonna lose.
It's fine. Any swim. Basta race lang. From there to there, Kent. Go.
Wait, tita.
Ano ba yan? Nakainom kang tubig agad. Ang babaw na nga lang. Backstroke. Oy, Julia, keep on going. Faster! Ha? Ay, no shouting daw. Laki ng bunganga nyo eh. Ha? Panalo si Luis. Ang haba eh. Bibidyoan ko wait lang. Wag, Luis, wag. Luis, wag daw sisigaw. Julia, puti ng mukha mo. Wag daw sisigaw ha. Sabi ni brother. 3, 2, 1, go.
Swim, swim.
Ano nangyari?
Wala na tikli.
Ano ka ba? Sa akin na lang, sa akin na lang. Lahat kayo. Eh, kaso paano magbibideo? Ako. O, ikaw magbideo, ha? Go, go. Yes, sama ka.
No, I can't
Ay, dalawa kayo talo, eh. Come on, come on, come on. Mabilis lang to.
I love
Usap
winning.
ka dun sa baba mo, bibidyohan.
Wait lang.
Hindi mo na kailangan lumubog. Baba mo.
I just want to see.
Ready? Wait, Ken. Ready mo? 1, 2, 3, go.
Swim, swim. Waterfall off your skin. Swim.
Yay! Maliit kasi si Ken.
Oh, si Julie naman ito. Video mo.
Swim, swim. Waterfall off your skin.
Lumis naman.
Ay, ba't ako yung winner?
Video. Video mo. Dali, go. Luis. Ayun. Dali pa, damay-damay na. Yung mascara mo, tanggal na. Go, go, go. Go. Can't you video down, ha?
Okay. Mommy so short, so it was so deep. 3, 2, 1.
Swim, swim. Waterfall off your skin.
Lang, baka mo eh. Hawakan mo ha, hawakan mo yung tali. Oh.
Go hold it too tight.
Ready? Go!
Go!
Swim, swim. Waterfall off your skin. Swim.
Ken, mag-handstand ka sa ilalim. You can do it. 1, 2, 3, go.
I just wanna dive. I just wanna dive. That world gonna.
Abot mo lang yung floor, tapos taas mo yung paa mo. Take your time. 1, 2, 3, go.
I just wanna dive. I just wanna dive. That world gonna.
What happened? Tabi kayo para kita. Sa kabila. Sa kabila dito. Sa kabila. Kabila! Dito na, nandito na. Pero, tabi mo dito. Yeah! Kanina dito, laki. Ay, nakarecord. Okay. Hi guys, welcome to the Booger.
Yan po yung kata.
Yan po yung organic encounter. Okay. Magano kayo Naka-Indian seat
Yung mga fans nyo, you will call them booger.
You know what's Indian seat?
Yeah.
Yung magpa-pray? Okay, okay. 1.
Okay, you're a booger because I will always pick you first.
Buisit. Okay, game na. Ready. 1, 2, 3, go.
Swim, swim. Waterfall off your skin.
I just do it.
What? How? Yung prayer.
Thank you, tita.
Go, wear it muna. Then gagawa kayo. Turuan mo nga si Ken na. Iinis na ako.
Like,
Do it.
feel your... like,
Sit down ka sa under and then like pray. Nakakainis?
you push yourself. Like,
Yeah, like that. Look. Okay. Like that Okay, ready.
when you're pushing... The wing is beneath my wings.
Ah, buisit.
Like,
Swim, swim. Waterfall off your skin. Swim.
Sabi mo mali, sit down ka lang. Kulit sa magkapatid na to. Follow Ate Kent. 1, 2, 3, go.
swim, swim. Waterfall in love, yeah.
Hindi, practice mo. Tuturuan niya.
No.
Ah.
Because I'm pushing myself down.
Yeah, tuturuan ka niya. Yeah. Sabihin mo yung legs niya, kailangan nakakro. Yan.
Swim, swim.
Yourself more down.
Okay, go.
Look at me. I do this.
Ang tagal.
Go. 3, 2, 1.
Okay na? Ready na? O, tatlo kayo dali. Malaking views to. Pag kikitan ako, I'll buy you
If you
king.
know me, don't leave the YouTube website.
No, if I earn money, we're gonna do the shopping challenge.
Yes.
Okay, ready?
Pwede na
1, 2, 3, go!
Swim, swim. Waterfall in love, yeah.
Niluwi ng tagal.
Swim,
Game, isa pa. Ken, one more. Dali si ate yung nag-fail eh. Okay, ready ah. Ay, visit. Okay, ready. Tabi-tabi kayo. 1, 2, 3, go!
swim, swim. Waterfall in love, your skin.
Done.
Ayusin na. Alam mo, ikaw tawa ka sa tawa kaya hindi mo nagawa eh.
Badminton.
Okay, game. Zen, focus. Ay, huwag mo na takpan yung ilong mo. Eh, dapat na makita yung mukha mo. Apo. I-hold mo lang ng konti. Ano? Kung ganun ka. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
Swim, swim. Waterfall in love, your skin. Swim, swim.
Maganda yun.
Go. Ayaw maligo. Ha? Kunin mo isang card. Alam mo yung ano? Waterproof yan. yung paa. yung tuhod, dali yung tuhod. Ayun yan, tama na. Enough na.
Di naman.
Okay na? What? Ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
Swim, swim. Waterfall in love, your skin. Swim.
I think I covered the camera. I think I covered the camera.
Nalagyan ng tubig yung
Again.
Na-cover mo? Ba't hindi?
I think na-cover ko.
Hindi. Na-record. Go! 4, 4, 0, 1. 3, 2, 1.
Swim, swim. Waterfall in love, your skin. Swim, swim. I could spend a lifetime watching you.
Kita put on the
Okay. Okay, game. Dual cam. Front and back cam. Okay.
Swim, swim. Waterfall in love, your skin. Swim, swim.
Hold it! Hawakan mo record mo si ate, nakikita ka. Dali, go.
6, 7.
Swim, swim. Waterfall in love, your skin. Swim, swim.
Why recording me?
Front and back, nakikita din siya.
Ha?
Front and back, dual cam yan.
How?
You can do it. Record ka lang nakikita.
Okay.
Show mo. Show to ate.
Swim, swim. Waterfall off your skin.
Go down, go down!
Go down, Julia, dali. Why?
Look at this stuff, isn't it neat? Wouldn't you think my collection's complete? Wouldn't you think I'm the girl who has everything? Look at this trove, treasures untold.
Okay.
Ano yung camera sa front?
Dali, you can do that.
Look at this stuff, isn't it neat? Wouldn't you think my collection's complete? Wouldn't you think I'm the girl who has?
While watching Lady, I was crying and I look like pangit.
Look at this stuff, isn't it neat? Wouldn't you think my collection's complete? Wouldn't you think I'm the girl who has everything? Look at this trove, treasures untold. How many one?
POV. While sleeping. POV while sleeping. Okay.
I will see without putting down.
No, I'll just like POV. I'll just look around with it. Oh, okay.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
I ain't gotta think, but I think maybe I just swim. Waterfall off your skin. Swim. I could spend a lifetime watching you swim.
You're good?
Let's go again, but floating.
Hi, Mom. Three.
Go, Ken.
That was tiring.
Ayun, yung towel, jacket mo.
Have the aerodynamic stuck with the air. Ano
Hey, train. Oh, yeah, train. Go! Oh, nakainom.
Ay, dapat, you go to mommy and I
No, dapat sa akin.
and then you go to mommy.
Hi!
No.
Go here, behind me. Ganun ka kay Ate Julia. Naging aso. Let's catch them. Ah! Ah!
You know that game where the front of the
Caterpillar.
the caterpillar.
Sige.
Okay.
Wait, sino mataya? Maiba taya.
Okay.
Maiba taya. Wala. Maiba taya. Uy, pakita mo, Julia. Maiba taya. Oh, Louie.
What?
Ba't si Julia nag-change eh? Again. Maiba taya. Maiba taya. Oh, Luis talaga. Mami, dito ka, sa likod. Dito ka, Julia.
I'll try to get your end.
Yeah. Ikaw. Dito ka sa likod na lang. Ay, sakit, Ken.
Okay.
Sakit.
Si Ken na lang.
Oh, hawak. Doon ka sa likod. Ayan. Hawak, bilis. Ken, hawak ka kay Ate Julia.
Get caught by Luis.
3.
Mabilis to, laki nito eh.
5.
You're mahaba! Lugi! Don't shout ah! Game. Game na. Sino sa likod? Okay. Luwit kami nga. Sige, game. Game na. Pero ako ng goggles. Huwag yan, nalalagyan ng tubig yan eh. Wait lang. Okay, game. Hingal ako, ha?
Hinila mo ako eh. Busog na ako.
Para ako nagpa-badminton training. Nag-skip. Hawakan mo. Tignan mo yung camera, ha? Baka mag-post. Tignan.
Ang pangit ko.
Ito mo hawakan mo dito. Talo mo.
I'm so ugly.
Sino sa ilalim? Si Luis sa dulo.
Can ha? Yeah, so ugly. Okay. Hey guys. Nag-work ako. Kasi busog din naman.
Dali.
Let's start. Aga naman.
Wow, bagal mo daw. Uy, ang lapit mo na. Wait lang, 10 seconds.
Ano ba yan? Sabi yung bagal ko.
Game 1. Hawak na kayo, nalulunod.
2, 3!
Second, wala ako, nalulunod na naman. Uy, record ka. Tingnan mo yung nire-record mo. Huwag ka tumingin sa amin. Tapos sa camera kami tingnan.
Yun lang.
Parang shark daw.
Buster!
Ito na sila. Vamos! Kenta kawa kay Kenta. Tagal mo kasi.
Mas malaki yung dede mo kaysa sa akin, guys.
Balistik missile to bumabalik.
It's still recording.
Okay na?
No!
Ano nangyari? Ano nangyari sa ballistic? Go back to your team!
Oh, when the missile.
Ready, set, go! Sabay si Kent! Sabay si Kent!
I won.
Again. This time, Luis won round 1. Okay, ready? Round 2, game. 1, 2, 3, go. Who's gonna be the first one? Ah! Oh! This time Kenken won! And Luis is the first one to ano. Okay. This round 2, Kenken won. Okay, round 3. Try round 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Look. Kenken won again. What? What he said?
That's bubble gum. I tried.
Mama tulog. Ayun. Hindi ka naman tulog.
Through the dark, through the door, through where no one's been before, but it feels like home. They can say it all sounds crazy. They can say I've lost my mind.
Really?
I don't care.
What? What?
I won.
Cheering! Cheering!
Your turn, mommy. Nabayan, kumakanta ako tapos ano? Plus. Blue and yellow.
Wala, wala, wala! Go! Hoy! May nakuha ka?
Pwede yan. Your turn again.
Luis!
Your turn. Stop eh.
Blue! Blue!
Your turn again.
Ah, wait.
Yeah, I'm the goat. The goat.
That's red.
Mommy, can you just play songs?
Look, look, look!
Your turn again. Mommy, can you play songs?
Wait na, nilalagyan ko sa Luis eh. Nakakatawa.
Last.
Hoy, ilan yan? Apat?
Oh, yan!
Hoy, apat!
Yeah, 4 yan.
Blue, blue.
I thought I was right.
Kala nyo.
Nice. Plus 2.
Uy!
Walang blue. Di ba po magda-draw pa siya?
Yellow.
Hoy, kain ka ng maayos. Yes, Philadelphia. Wala naman sapato. Oh. Napatay ka? Anong ginawa ba?
He just correct the puwet.
Oh, tapos?
And then he's crying.
Oh, eh. Kala ko napaipot.
Pero mami, hindi ko
Luis, napakaano mo ha? Mabukod na kay mami.